Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be smoking some whole chickens. I know you see that smoker in the background. Hey, we're getting that prepared. We got to go inside and get those chickens prepared. Now I'm going spatchcock style with these whole chickens, and then I'm going to season them up. I got two types that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a lemon pepper, and then I'm going to do one that's going to be baptized in that Cajun seasoning. Now, without further ado, hey, let's go to this workstation, get those chickens prepared so we can get them on that smoker and get you in the game.
Now I'm working with two whole chickens. I got one that's about 5.5 pounds, and then I got another that's a little over 5 pounds. Now what I want to do for this smoke session, I want to spatchcock these chickens. So I got some sharp kitchen shears, and I'm gonna remove the spine of this chicken. Now this is gonna give me even cooking between the chicken thighs and then the chicken breast. So what you want to do, like I said, remove that chicken spine and then save that, because you can use that for other recipes like stock. Now get your little sharp knife and then go behind that breastbone, make an incision, and then you're gonna lift up on this chicken, and then voila, you got a spatchcock chicken that's gonna sit nice and flat on your smoker. Now you in the game. We got both of these chickens, they're spatchcock. Now all we got to do is trim these chicken from any excess fat and any excess skin. So take your chicken, and right underneath these chicken quarters you'll have a bunch of loose hanging fat and skin, and you will want to remove that before you season this chicken. Now I didn't show it on this video, but right above the breastbone you will have a lot of hanging skin, and you want to remove that also, but don't remove too much where you expose that chicken breast, because that chicken skin will act as a protectant so that chicken breast doesn't dry out during your smoke session. You'll thank me later. It's time to season this chicken up. Now I'm going in with some olive oil. This is going to be used as my binder, and then it's going to also help me crisp this chicken skin, and it's going to be bite through. Now I'm going in with some lemon pepper seasoning for one, and then the other I'm going in with my baptizing Cajun seasoning. Now you already know I like a little kick, I like a little spice, so I had to do it for one of these chicken. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get in every nook and cranny of this chicken. Hey, lift up on it, make sure that there is no bare spots on this chicken. So inspect it, make sure you season it generously, so every bite that your fam takes, it'll be absolutely delicious and flavorful. Now we're gonna get our smoker, we're gonna get it prepared. We're gonna be running 275 degrees, and we're gonna let these chicken ride out. Now of course we're gonna have some temperature swings. Now I do want to take about a half an hour or so, and I'm gonna bump it up to about 300 degrees in the middle of the cook, so I can get that nice bite through skin. And then for the rest of the cook, like I said, I'm gonna range at about 275, and we'll be in the game. So let's go out to the smoker, and we're gonna get these coals hot, and we're gonna get our fire started. Now I'm using post-soaking hickory charcoal, and once I get these coals hot, I'm gonna place some hickory wood splits on top. And then fam, once you got those coals hot, they don't take long for that fire to start, and then you in the game.
Hey, yes sir, we got that pit ready to go. Hey, we burning a little bit hot right now. We sitting at about 300, but what I'm gonna tell you is it's gonna cool back down, and then we're gonna be at that 275 range. Now we're gonna hit some temperature swings, but we're gonna be good. We're gonna be in the game. Hey, these chickens gonna be absolutely tender and juicy, fam. And then we got that second chicken, that one we did that baptizing Cajun seasoning. Hey, we gonna sit these bad boys down. Hey, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna touch those up, and then we gonna let these roll out. Hey fam, we've been smoking for about 2 hours, a little bit under 2 hours, but this is how we look right now. Yes sir. Hey, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate these chicken around, because as you can see here, hey, this one's getting a little bit more cooked than that one there. So I'm just gonna move them around so they can get some even cooking. But hey, check this out. Hey, this skin's gonna be nice and crispy, fam. Hey, we gonna be in the game. So I'm gonna get this done, and I'm gonna pop this top back down, because if you looking, hey fam, you ain't cooking. All right, so we've been going for about 3 hours, about 275 with some temperature swings here and there. So what we want to do is we want to go in and get us a little reading. Now we're in the perfect place with this chicken. The chicken thighs are temping about 165, and then we got the chicken breast temping at about 140. Now the beauty of spatchcocking, again, even cooking. When you think about the ratio of what we're cooking at, now the chicken thighs can go a little bit longer. You can take those up to about 185 and they won't dry out on you. But that chicken breast, you want to hit about 163 to 165, and then that'll be absolutely juicy and tender. So I would rather for those chicken thighs to cook faster, and then that chicken breast to come up slightly under that. So like I said, you'll have even cooking, and then both parts of that chicken is going to be absolutely tender, juicy, and that skin's going to be crispy. Hey fam, I got you in the game. I want to get this about 162 or so in this breast, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn these chicken this way, so horizontal, and then we're gonna get a little bit more cook time on these breasts, and then we'll let these chicken thighs roll out. All right fam, so we sitting at about 162 in the smaller chicken, which is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. Again, smaller bird, and then we're gonna let this one go a little bit more, sitting at about 153. This one's gonna come up to temp. You know, as you take things out and you let it rest, it's gonna rise in temperature, and then it's gonna come back down. So we'll let this one roll out, and then we'll see you guys in a little bit. We sitting at about 163 in that breast, and that's perfect to remove this chicken.
Now it's time to remove the second chicken. We're going to allow this to rest about 45 minutes. Let those juices redistribute. And you can see right there, we got our two absolutely gorgeous looking smoked spatchcock chickens. All we got to do is cut these up, get them ready for dinner, and we'll be in the game. So I'm just going down this breastbone right here and splitting it in half, and then I'm gonna remove these chicken quarters, and now you got a couple pieces for everybody in the fam. Now you know you got some fam that like the dark meat, then you got some fam that like that chicken breast. So that was the spicy, and then we got that lemon pepper. Both of them look absolutely delicious. Skins bite through, and I'm gonna bring one of them up to you, that chicken breast, show you how juicy it is. I'm not gonna squeeze it, but you can see that juice right there. Hey, it looks absolutely phenomenal. And then you already know those chicken legs and quarters, they're gonna be juicy too. So we in the game.
All right fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smoked chicken. Hey, and I had to give me a little piece of that skin. Hey, cause it's nice and crispy. And then I got me a wing. Hey, I'm about to devour this. Hey, that's good right there. Skin is nice and crispy. Seasoned right, and it's a clean bite. Hey, if you're new to my channel, you like this video, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and tell them to cook it with me. Focus got you in the game. Now for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into the smoked chicken, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.